Hello, Burb.
Hello, Burb.
Fellow Burb.
Hello. Yes, fellow avian. Yes, Burb.
What Burb are you, if I may ask?
Oh, what am I? I believe I am an owl of some sorts.
I happen to love owls, and I have a lot of owl friends, and they're all called Hoodle.
Hoodle?
Hoodle, yeah.
Hoodle.
Very cute. You are one of them. You are Hoodle.
Oh, thank you. And you are?
I am a phoenix.
Oh yeah, yes, of course, a phoenix. Yes, that's what you are.
What was that? What was that
Oh,
reaction?
I just am a little slow sometimes. That's it. That's all.
Do you
it is.
doubt my phoenixness?
I have no doubts. I also have no
knowledge.
Oh, that's the word.